Hello and welcome to Manning the Controls. For my first series of videos, I have taken on a 12-week weight loss program. This weight loss program is aided by the use of the weight loss drug Tirzepatide. I will be receiving a weekly dose of this drug along with diet, exercise, and some mental health aspects. Keeping a good regimen of drinking water and getting plenty of sleep. I hope that you all come along with me on this 12-week program, as it will take a lot of effort and it will take a lot of work, but I'm confident that we'll get through it. Now, I know what you are all thinking. After hearing this, you all could do that standing on one leg. But unfortunately, I have two legs. So I had to ask myself, can I do it on two legs? And yes, I believe I can. So, welcome again. Let's jump on board. This is Manning the Controls. My name is Joshua Sturkle. I'm 42 years old. I weigh 247 pounds. I stand at 6 foot, 1 inch tall. I live in North Charleston, South Carolina. I have a bachelor's degree from Arizona State University in project management. I'm a father of 4, a 20-year-old girl, a 17-year-old girl, a 5-year-old girl, and a 19-month-old boy. I also have 1 dog and 1 wife. If the two were to ever get lost, there's a hefty reward for the dog. So why am I taking on this 12-week challenge? Well, first, let's take a quick look at the blood test results taken a few weeks back.
Boy, who's a big boy? Who's a big boy? Who's a big boy? Come here, girl. Come here, girl. Come here. Come here.
So as you can tell from those results, there were a few things that we really need to put some work into. So beyond the blood test results, what are some other reasons leading me to take on this 12-week challenge? It is going to be tough. It is going to be difficult. So what else is driving me to do this? Well, first off, I want to be more flexible. I want better health overall. I'd like to get some muscle mass back. I'd like to look better. I want to play with the kids, run around and jump around with them more vigorously and have a better time with them, spend more time playing with the dog, hanging out with my wife, doing things like that. I would like to get better mental clarity. I'm also trying to get a better state of mind so I can just be a happier person altogether. And then I'm just doing it for me because I just want to gain a sense of well-being, overall well-being. And I think that's going to be very important.
It's good now.
So now that we know the basics of the challenge, who I am, and why I'm doing it, let's take a look at the rules of the challenge. There's going to be 6 rules. Rule number 1 is that weekly dosage of Tirzepatide. The dosage is going to change, and that is, of course, under a doctor's prescription. I will take it every Thursday in the morning, and I will do a weigh-in. Rule number 2, diet. The diet is going to consist of under 1,500 calories, and we're going to try to keep it under 50 to 100 grams of carbs every day. I'm going to cut out a lot of the beer, not all of it, some of it. Rule number 3 is going to be an exercise regime. Now I'm going to try to keep this aggressive. I'm going to try to keep it aggressive and so I can, trim up and build some of that muscle back. So the first week, 1 and week 2, is going to be 50 push-ups, 50 sit-ups, and 50 squats every day, along with 5 minutes of exercise, stretching, and a little bit of cardio. Week 2, it'll get a little bit harder, and then week 3, I'll start to add in some new parameters, some weights and things of that nature. Rule number 4 is going to be sleep. I'm going to need to get 8 hours of sleep a day. It's just that simple. 7 to 8 hours at a minimum every day. Rule number 5 is going to be a mental health and betterment. I'm going to try to read books to better my mental health. I'm going to try to do some Zen activities. I'm going to try to meditate a little bit and just overall try to be a happier person and spend more time in nature and just be happier. Rule number 6 is I'm going to have to keep up appearances. Well, what that means is basically I'm going to have to go to work. I'm going to have to maintain my home life, keeping things clean around here. I'm going to have to be a good parent, stay up with the kids, keep all their schoolwork done, spend time with them, and just be a good father to them, play with the dog, keep up with the dog, and just overall keep my social life together and keep all that going. The challenge for me started on January 2nd, and it will end on March 27th. That is a 12-week time frame. Now let's take a quick look at the before pictures. The challenge for me started the day after New Year's. So in the days preceding New Year's were Christmas, New Year's Eve, and New Year's Day. And I decided if I was going to take on this challenge, I was going to do it right. So take a look at this. I've been told by my wife that I need to talk about my feelings more. So in this tiny segment, I would like to call it, Let's Talk About My Feelings. Feelings. Well, that's it for our first video. I hope you had a good time. I hope it was funny and informative. And thank you for coming along. If you just do me this one solid, subscribe to the channel, like the video, hit the notification button, and share it with as many people as you can. We can all do better, and we can all live better, healthier lives. This is Manning the Controls, and you are all now controllers. So get out there, have a great time of life, experience it all, smile, share, and love. You're manning the controls to your own destiny now.